Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to recover or deleted videos from your Android mobile phone without any root. So how to do this? Let's start. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start it. Okay guys, first of all going to your Android mobile phone, and after doing this that go to your Google Play Store. First of all open a Google Play Store, and after opening that you can search that recover deleted videos. Then you can see that a list of number of applications for related to recovery videos, but you can select you can select deleted videos recover. So simply click on it. Now you can see that the names add deleted videos recovery, recover deleted videos, and Wi-Fi booster developed by Wi-Fi booster, Wi-Fi extender, and Wi-Fi speed test. So after that, first of all you can download this application. It's approximately 2.4 MB application. So after downloading that, install in your Android mobile phone. After that, click on open button. Okay guys, when you open it, close the ad. After that, select a language. So I selected English. Close the ad. Now click on let's start it. Close ad. Now after doing this ad, click on it and close this ad. Now it's okay guys, after completing the scan it's recovered as 16 videos. So click on show deleted videos, close the ad. Now it's recover these 16 videos. So first of all click on it. Now you can see that some videos which is recovered. So first of all select a specific video which is want to recover. Now you can see that select it, and after that click on restore now. Now simply click on it. Now you can see that confirm restore. Are you sure you want to restore the selected videos? Click on OK button, and after that click on grant permissions. Go to your and select SD card and click on select. Now you can see that one file restored and video recovery in your SD card. I'm sure that after doing this step your videos will be recovered. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.